Let's talk about what healthy boundaries will look like in relationships. These glasses here represent different people. This can be family, friends, and romantic partners. And this is you, full of life. And this is the most important thing that you need to do as a person. Become aware of your capacity, also known as self-awareness. Be fully aware of your capacity as an individual, because these people will need you at some point. They will need you to give something. And here's something else that you need to understand about these people. Just because they have nothing, just because they have no substance, it doesn't mean they don't have a capacity. They all have different capacities, represented by the different shapes and sizes of these glasses. And so, you as an individual, you are the one that gets to decide how much of this you can give. Because if you don't do that because you're a people pleaser or because of your fear of rejection, this is what happens. Sometimes you give to people that will take everything from you, and yet they still feel like you've not given enough because they have a bigger capacity. They want more than you can give. And so you run empty, which is why boundaries are important. Because when you are setting a boundary, you are communicating to the other person that I can only give you without losing myself. If giving you means that I lose myself, then I'm not going to do that. And you have to remember, when you have given them and they feel like you've not given enough, you have to remember, it's not because you don't have enough to give to them. It's simply because they had nothing when you gave. And so they cannot judge what you're giving. They cannot judge what you're giving without looking at what they didn't have, without looking at what they already didn't have before you showed up. But this is what people do. They will focus on what they think you should have given without looking into what they should be doing to have more for themselves. So this is why boundaries are important. Because sometimes you are lucky to give to people who will not take everything from you and still feel satisfied. But still, it's not your responsibility to fully satisfy people. You are not responsible for meeting other people's every need. And therefore, you continue to set boundaries. Because the sad thing is, when you don't set boundaries and you continue to give to people and you give to everyone around you, you are going to give to everyone else and you are going to be empty. And when you become empty, you sit aside and you watch everyone that you have given to live their best life with everything that they took from you. And that time you have nothing. And you start resenting them for living their life with what you gave them. You can't blame them for taking everything from you because they had a capacity for everything you had. It's your responsibility to decide how much of yourself you can give. Because when you decide how much of yourself you can give, you are protecting yourself. Why do you need to protect yourself? Because at the end of the day, you only have one life represented by this glass. And if you give all of it to other people, it means you had no life to live. And therefore, you did nothing with your life but just save everyone else around you. And believe me, there is no honor in being there for everyone else whilst abandoning yourself. Good luck.